Did you know the wrong kettle can ruin the flavor of your tea? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric tea kettle with infuser that make every sip perfect. Stick around, your next favorite kettle is waiting. Links are in the description. Let's begin. At number 5 is INTASTING Glass Electric Kettle. Did you know most electric kettles overheat or lose flavor control when brewing tea? That's where the INTASTING Glass Electric Kettle changes the game. It's not just about boiling water, it's about precision, style, and peace of mind. The pros are clear: accurate 1-degree temperature control, a built-in infuser, and a 1200-watt system that heats quickly. Plus, the dual shell body and anti-scald lid add real safety. Compared to others in the top electric kettles with infuser category, this one feels smarter and sleeker. The fashionable glass design actually looks good on your counter, unlike bulkier models. The cons are minor: capacity isn't the largest, so heavy tea drinkers may want more volume. Still, for daily brewing, this is a smart choice. At number 4 is BUYDEEM K2423 Tea Maker. Most kettles just boil water, but the BUYDEEM K2423 Tea Maker at just $109.99 actually respects your tea. With 5 precise temperature settings, it takes the guesswork out of brewing, so your green tea stays delicate and your black tea tastes bold. The pros are its 6-in-1 control base, 60-minute keep warm, auto shutoff, and the safe, food-grade Durand glass paired with a stainless steel infuser that feels premium and built to last. The cons are it's heavier than a slim gooseneck and costs more than basic kettles, but you're paying for precision and peace of mind. Compared to other popular models in the top 5 best electric tea kettle with infusers, this one wins on versatility and safety. If you're serious about tea and want reliability without compromise, this is the smart choice I'd personally recommend. On number 3 is TOPWIT Electric Kettle. Did you know boiling water the wrong way can ruin your tea's flavor by up to 40%? That's why the TOPWIT Electric Kettle at just $29.99 deserves attention when talking about the top 5 best electric tea kettle with infuser. Its dual-purpose design, boil water or brew directly with the removable infuser, makes it more than just a kettle, it's an everyday essential. The double-wall structure feels safe to touch, while the borosilicate glass and 304 stainless steel keep your tea pure. The gooseneck spout? Smooth, precise, no messy drips, tested for real-world comfort. Now, the pros are affordable, versatile, easy to clean, and safe with auto shutoff and boil dry protection. The cons are slower heating compared to premium 1500-watt kettles, and the glass body requires regular cleaning. At number 2 is Mueller RapidBoil Electric Kettle. The Mueller RapidBoil Electric Kettle is seriously impressive. It boils 1.8 liter of water in mere minutes thanks to its 1500-watt rapid heat, speed boil, technology. Built of tough borosilicate glass and stainless steel, it gives you a clean, plastic-free water path and feels solid in your hand. A generous removable lid makes filling and cleaning a breeze. Safety is front and center. Automatic shutoff and boil dry protection bring reassurance when you step away. While it doesn't offer fine temperature presets beloved by specialty tea fans, it wins in everyday performance, volume, and dependability. Compared to premium kettles that compete for top spots on top 5 best electric water kettle for tea with infuser lists, this one leans into what matters: fast boil, user safety, and solid build quality. If you need to brew several cups quickly and prioritize reliability over complexity, this kettle is a smart, confident choice. Now moving to the last one is Chefman Electric Kettle. Did you know that the right kettle can completely change how your tea tastes? The Chefman Electric Kettle proves it. With 1100 watt of power, it heats water fast, boiling in as little as 3 minutes. But here's the real game changer. 7 variable heat settings ranging from 160 to 212 degree Fahrenheit. That means you're not just boiling water, you're brewing the perfect cup, whether it's green tea, black tea, or pour-over coffee. The pros are crystal clear: tri-color LED lights that guide you through heating modes, a removable tea infuser for loose leaves, cordless convenience, and automatic shutoff for peace of mind. Compared to the other, Chefman wins on precision and tea-friendly features. The cons are at 1.1 liter capacity, it's smaller, so better for individuals or couples than large families. If I had to crown a winner, it's the BUYDEEM K2423 Tea Maker. Why? Because it's more than just a kettle, it's a tea companion built for precision and versatility. With 5 temperature presets, 6-in-1 controls, premium Durand glass, and a stainless steel infuser, it protects flavor while offering durability and safety. Unlike basic kettles, it keeps tea warm for 60 minutes and shuts off automatically. If you want reliability, peace of mind, and tea brewed exactly right every time, this is the smart choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best electric tea kettle with infuser. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.